The front second column should not be there.
Which one?
The second, so item number 17, 18, you're putting second column not applicable. 17. Next.
This one?
Yeah, remove that.
No, I not put.
No, you remove from the hazard itself, guideboard itself.
This one?
Yeah, not applicable by the.
Oh, yeah, right, you're right.
It's supposed to be
Okay,
the description.
Yeah, correct. I say no additional concern. Petroleum no additional concern because you are not using ample.
There also is not applicable from the guideboard.
And just diesel fuel no additional concern.
Diesel fuel now.
You are using the DG set and equipment.
That concern is how you are filling diesel.
Manual filling? Of course. Dispenser.
Concern is.
No, this tanker.
Tanker is coming from tanker to diesel generator.
This motor, this filling.
Direct equipment?
There is one nozzle and a
You know what you're saying that you are taking diesel tanker and taking one the day tank, storage tank, or you are direct filling.
The person is filling. Okay, no, I'm not listening. I'm not. I know, but filling there is manual filling is very minimal. You are filling on daily basis, right?
Let me put it here.
Daily basis you are filling. So that if it's flat, suppose we have contact.
Did you say?
There is one of fixed diesel particularly. Although it is not, not impacted much. If it goes high, definitely be irritated.
No major.
because
That's why the thing is here. When diesel fuel, it is when you do manual operation, there are chances that you are filling with something, and it may close or something. It will like
Splash on your right.
because the operator he is filling manually.
Yeah, a splash will happen. It will go on the ice. See, and the close another thing. Diesel won't impact. There is none. But the ice, yes, definitely, it will have minor impact. So you can do manual filling.
One is I as well as second is inhalation.
Yes.
So 2 points, but I'm saying that filling to the DG set of the vehicle, no major concern.
And vehicle where you are filling DG diesel, petrol pump or something you are doing, or the vehicles.
Or vehicle, diesel vehicle equipment,
There are filling
tanker
side only.
tanker.
But diesel vehicle, how, okay, you have from the tanker, you have the nozzle sort of thing?
Yes,
With the
with nozzle he is filling. There is no other manual filling. Manually,
but tanker will have that tanker will from the hose, right? With the quick coupling hose.
there is the same system, the petrol pump, same nozzle, same.
Okay, now we are going to dispense with the dispenser. You are saying
Yes.
tanker with the dispenser is coming. Okay.
Like Bokur, no?
No, I know. See, normal tanker which is on the roadside,
This is
which is not having that is having hose.
Yeah.
But there are tanker with the dispenser. So you can fill any vehicles also. That dispenser which is like
Same like petrol pump.
with the meter and it's called dispenser. Like we have the car.
Kapu.
Yes, see,
Kapu and
same tanker.
Here I don't know which is we.
Same
Kapu type, yeah.
So we are saying that fueling is the is the action, but no major concern because it directly dispense to the
Limit standardized.
Yeah. As per SOP. Okay, that means we are safe.
And who is filling? You, the person who is bringing the truck, or your person?
There is one specific person who filling and operating the tanker driver, and one filler is with.
Okay, there is a specific person, not normal.